Hello everyone, welcome back to Do Art Now. Today we're going to draw this cute T-Rex. But before we're going to draw that, we're going to identify the shapes that make this artwork. As you can see, I'm drawing a rectangle and that's kind of looking like the shape of his nose and mouth. And above that, I can identify a semicircle for the eye. And his body kind of have this circular shape or a shape of an egg, and the tail kind of looks like a triangle. Again, there are two triangles that sort of structure to make his feet. Next, we're going to draw his hands. There's just two lines. Good job. Now let's do it actually on the paper. So now pick up your paper and let's start drawing. Let's use a pencil, draw very lightly these shapes so that you can erase it later on. I'm drawing the circular part of the body and moving forward to draw the leg, a triangle over there, and for the feet another triangle. I also drew a triangle for the tail and for his eyes a semicircle. Now that we captured the shape, this is going to help us to actually do a better artwork. Now let's start with the nose and the part of the mouth, and we're going to use the reference of the rectangle that we drew. Good. And next we're going to continue drawing the part of his lower jaw, giving him a little smile. I hope the shapes has helped you. Next, we're going to move forward to draw his eyes. A circle over there. I think we can draw a little more bigger eyes. Yeah, there you go. Next, we're going to draw the other eye. A circle over there. Next, we're going to draw the skin above his eyes. That's kind of standing out. Likewise for the other eye, and then we're going to connect it together. Great job. We're going to draw the part of his neck connecting all the way to his body. Good job. Hey, did you know that T-Rex means king of the lizards? Pretty scary, right? We're going to draw the back side and all the way continuing to create the leg. Just take it all the way down to the lower triangle that you see. If you feel I'm going fast, you can pause the video and do it at your pace. Over here we're going to create those shapes, not just exactly follow the shape that we drew, but again create that curve to show the thickness of the thigh. Good job, good job. Hey, did you know that these dinosaurs lived around 68 to 66 million years back? That is really long ago. Next, we're going to move forward, creating the tail. Make sure you create a little bend over at the end of the tail. Moving forward, we're going to create the pupil of his eyes. Good job, follow along. Hey, the T-Rex has tiny arms, about the size of a kid's arm. Imagine that on such a big body. It's really funny. Moving forward, we're going to fill up with black color in his eyes. Ah, there you go. He's already picking up shape. Hey, did you know that the T-Rex has eyes as big as an orange? They could see really well, just like an eagle can. Wow. Moving forward, we're going to draw the arms and the claws. Good job. Moving forward, we're going to draw his pointy teeth, smaller triangles, and a small dot to indicate his nose. Great. The first T-Rex skeleton was found over 100 years ago. That's like 1902. That's when we found them. Next, we're going to create a separation for his tummy, and also moving forward to the nail on his feet. Great. Now we are almost done with the basic artwork. Now we're going to start giving him more texture. We're going to draw these little lines on his tummy just to give him more texture on the tummy. Good job, good job. Scientists have actually dug up more than 50 T-Rex skeletons. Wow, and the most complete one is called Sue. We're going to give this little texture for his skin, like 3 circles on near his eyes and over at his neck and on his thighs and on his tail. Good job. Great. Guys, if you like the video, make sure you like it. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That means a lot. Moving forward, we're going to create some hatch effects, sort of making a shadow effect for his body with smaller lines. And this creates it makes the whole artwork stand out. Wonderful. Moving forward, we're going to start the coloring process. In this case, I'm going to use a green shade. More of an ocean green, turquoise color is what I prefer to use. You can get creative, you can use your own colors. Let's start it. As usual, when we start with the outer edges, and then we move forward to fill it up internally. Good job. Hey, did you know that the bite of a T-Rex is so hard that it can even crush a car? Wow. Good job, guys. Coloring can take some time. In the meantime, I can share you some facts more. Hey, did you know that the mouth of a T-Rex was full of sharp teeth, about 60 of them. Each tooth was as long as a banana. Wow, you don't want to be around them. Next, we're going to color the tummy. Next, we're going to color the under part of his belly with a little light brown. That's what I'm using, but you can use any color of your choice. Hey, here's another fun fact. A fully grown T-Rex was as long as a school bus and as tall as a giraffe. If you put a T-Rex on a big scale to weigh it, it would weigh as much as 14 refrigerators. That's a lot. Next, we're going to create the shadow effects of the T-Rex. Picking up the darker green, I'm going to start off with the leg. As you can see, just creating a few lines on the left side of the artwork. Under his leg and on the other side of this leg too. We're going to create the shadow effects over on his eyes and moving down to his neck. We're going to create some shadow effects over around his eyes just to make the eye pop a little bit. Great, looking good. I'm really happy about the artwork. I bet you guys are doing a great job. Moving forward, we're going to shadow his tail. Good job. And under his hands, we're going to create that effect of shadow. Wonderful. Good job. Let's create the shadow effects for his tummy. The under part of his tummy with a darker brown, and also for his tail. Great. And now we're going to create the highlights with white color, and this basically brings out the artwork. It makes it pop. Few white lines here and there, mostly on the right side of the artwork. Just going to add a little more sparkle effect on his eyes with the white. And next we're going to create the shadow effect on the ground on where he stands with dark gray. You can even use black. So we are almost there, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.